Good day. Let us discuss Mathematics 2, Day 3, Week 5. I will show two numbers. Tell which number is greater. We have 254 and 724. Which is the greater number? Very good. We have 724. 100 and 1000. 1000. Very good. 555 and 551. Which is bigger? Very good. 555. Our lesson for today is to order numbers up to 1000 from smallest to largest and vice versa. Before you learn how to compare two numbers, today you will use what you learned to put a group of numbers in order from smallest to biggest. This is how we will arrange the numbers. We have the smallest or the least up to the largest or the greatest. You will arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. What do you mean by smallest in a set of numbers? It is the least number in the set. What do you mean by largest in a set of numbers? It is the greatest number in the set. Look at the numbers. We have 296, 375, and 86. What is the least number in the given set, and why? Very good. The smallest or the least number is 86. Which number should be placed next? Very good. We have 296. And how about the largest or the greatest number? We have 375. When we arrange a set of numbers from smallest or least to largest or greatest, it means we are arranging the numbers in increasing or ascending order. Look at the number. You will arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. Our numbers are 375, 296, 92, and 86. Which is the smallest or least number? Very good, we have 86, followed by 92. The next number is 296, and the largest or greatest number is 375. Very good. Again, we have set of numbers. You will arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Which number is the largest or greatest numbers? 375. Next, 296, followed by 92, and the smallest number or the least number is 86. Are the numbers arranged in increasing or decreasing order? The numbers are arranged in decreasing order. When we arrange a set of numbers from largest or greatest to smallest or least, it means we are arranging the numbers in decreasing or descending order. What does it mean when we arrange number from smallest to largest? It means that we are arranging the numbers in increasing order or ascending order. What does it mean when we arrange numbers from largest to smallest? It means that we are arranging the number in decreasing or descending order. How do we order numbers? One strategy would be separate or group the numbers according to the number of digits. Then, compare the numbers within each group and arrange them according to the given condition. Smallest or least to largest or greatest, or vice versa. For your evaluating learning, answer this on your notebook. Arrange the given numbers as indicated. And that is our lesson for today.